guys, it's me, Zuri Films, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make those Do Not Disturb cards that you get in hotels for your own bedroom. So first, you want to get a piece of paper and a pencil and mark the points where your doorknob ends on the piece of paper. So after that, you want to connect the points all together to make like a circle that will later be cutting out. So now you want to draw the outline, so you're just going to take your pencil and make kind of like a rectangle shape, and then we'll cut that out later. Also, if you feel like it, you can make it kind of rounded at the top, which is something that I did just to add a bit more detail to it. So now we're going to be cutting the thing out, so you just want to go over your lines and cut everything out. So this is what it should look like once you're done, and then you want to fold it where like the middle of the circle is, and then make a cut right there. And once you get it, then you want to like start cutting around the circle from the inside, if that makes sense. But you can just watch this and I'll show you how to do it. So this is what it should look like when it's done, and then you want to take a pencil and just trace it on. If you want to make multiple ones, then you can just trace it onto another piece of paper and just do the same process. So these are my three that I'm gonna make, and now after this it's the designing part, so you can put whatever you want. I did 3 different ones. I did a do not disturb one, I did like a class one, said like that I'm in class, because you know, like the online classes, and the last one that I did was that I was filming, because you know I'm on YouTube, so I made a filming one as well. These are what all of them looked like when they were done, so now on to the coloring. So this is optional, but if you want to make it look more clean, you can like outline all of them so that it doesn't smudge the pencil, and you can just use regular liners. So now let's actually get to the coloring. So I took out my Ohuhu markers, and I'm just going to use those to color in the little doodles that I put on. So I chose to use Ohuhu markers because they have the chisel nib and the fine tip nib instead of having the brush nib at the end like Copic markers. So I wanted to have that to do the detail. So this is what the I'm in class one looked like when it was finished, and now on to the next one. This is the I'm filming, please be quiet, and this is what it looks like at the end, and I'm really happy with it. And I also put detailing around the hole, which made it look a bit cleaner since you can't really get a perfect cut. So the last one, which is the most important, is the do not disturb, and this is what it looks like after, so I really like it. So that's basically it. This is what all mine look like once they were done, and I am currently using them, and they're really cool, and they're like really awesome. Make as many as you want, and yeah. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!